Why are you watching gift guides? You got money. You got a lot of money. You got pockets overflowing with money. But that's why you clicked on this one, because there's no price limit on this. You give nothing but the very best gifts to those you love. Let's jump into it. For number one, because you got that big baller money, we're going to check out the first gift here. It is actually the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Why would you want to give that car guy in your life a camera? Let me tell you why. Because nothing makes me, as a car guy, happier than to see some amazing clips or amazing photos of my car. It's the only thing that I want to wake up to on a Saturday evening. That picture, that's all me, baby. That's all me. Took it with that camera that I'm recording, right? No, I didn't. Different camera. But either way, still great photos, great camera. Check out the GoPro Hero 8 Black. It is one of the best GoPros to date. Image stabilization like no other. It's actually going to make your drift videos, because you're totally going to learn how to drift one day. It's going to make them super cool. Check them out. You got that big baller money, and you want to make sure you keep that money in your pocket. You don't want to give none of that money to the feds. You don't want to give that none of that money to the CIA, NSA, NBIA, Verizon, Fios. But the best way to do that is to not get any tickets. You know how you can not get tickets? Check this camera out. Check this, not camera, it's a sensor. It's a laser detector. Check it out. It is the Escort Max 360C laser radar detector. Now, the legality of this product, it's perfectly legal in California. This is not a radar or a laser jammer. It is just a scanner. So this isn't going to damage the police's equipment by any means of the word. It's just going to let you know that they are watching you. It is just leveling out the playing field. I personally believe that it doesn't matter whether you get a ticket or not, as long as it slows you down, as long as you slow down and stop speeding, or you don't, drive illegally. The police being there have done what they came out to do. They're supposed to be out here making sure the streets are safe, not here to just give out tickets. So check out that product. I know you're gonna love it. Affiliate link down below. How about my channel? I will love you for it. This video is actually only going to go up to 3 because expensive things are expensive. And chances are, if you're looking at this video, you've already watched the previous 3 videos, which if you haven't, check them out. But this is going to be your final chance to pick up something really dope for that car person in your life, male or female, or anything in the spectrum. It is the Garmin Dashcam 66W. Just like the same theme of the previous videos, the last item I recommend to you guys, it's going to be safety related. This is actually a dash camera. Now this has actually happened to me before, where I was rear-ended, very, very minor, super, super small. Nonetheless, this person decided they just wanted to take off. Luckily, I had my dash camera. I was able to get their license plates on camera, and got everything resolved. Had I not had my dash camera, I would not have been able to get that person's license plate number, because I don't got the memory to memorize those numbers. I mean, I dropped out of college for a reason. But hey, we're not here discussing that. We're here discussing the Garmin Dashcam 66W. Check it out, guys. That car person in your life is going to love it with a thumbs up. It's very well reviewed. Pretty good camera. Check them out. You made it. Made it to the end of this video. Made it to the end of all of my videos, hopefully. Here's to hoping. Now that you're here, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. I know you liked the video. I liked the video. I had fun making it. While we're here, I'd like to take a quick second to tell you guys about Autocare Motorsports. It is an endeavor of mine. It is a company that I have been working on for a very long time. I've been doing this for 2 years now. We sell high quality car care products. It is my primary sponsor for these videos. Being able to do that has allowed me to free time to make these videos. If you guys want to see more videos, either check out the affiliate links down below, buy some stuff, or hit up our company, Autocare Motorsports. Check us out. You're going to love it. In fact, because you watch this video, because you are one of my viewers, because you're one of my subscribers, you actually get a discount. The link down below, go ahead and click on it. Gets you a pretty cool discount just because you watch this video. You didn't even know how much money you're saving watching these videos. That's big brain power. Check us out. Check out the other videos. Check out my next video. Somewhere. I haven't gotten the hang of that yet. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.